In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a lead to a contact in Freshsales. Converting a lead is what you do when someone has moved beyond the prospecting stage and you're ready to treat them as a qualified person or organization in your CRM. This keeps your data clean, helps your sales process stay consistent, and makes it easier to track deals and relationships without duplication. Start on your Freshsales dashboard and head to the lead section. Find and open the lead you want to convert. Before you convert, take a moment to review the lead's details. Make sure the key information you'll need as a contact or account is in place, like email, company name, and phone. If something is missing or looks outdated, update it now so it carries over correctly. It's also a good idea to confirm that this person isn't already a contact to avoid duplicates. At the top of the lead record, click the Convert button. Depending on your layout or permissions, this button might appear near the header or under a menu labeled More Actions. Clicking Convert opens a confirmation window where you decide what you want Freshsales to create from this lead. Choose whether you want to create a contact, an account, and optionally a deal. A contact represents the individual person. An account represents the company they work for. A deal is the opportunity you want to track in your pipeline. If the person works for a company, creating or linking an account helps keep all related contacts and deals organized under that business. If an account for that company already exists, select the existing one instead of creating a new one to maintain a single source of truth. If you're ready to track revenue, enable the deal option and confirm basic details such as the deal name, expected value, and pipeline stage. If you're not ready for a deal yet, you can skip that and add one later. As you review the conversion options, check any required fields highlighted in the form. Freshsales may require certain values for contacts, accounts, or deals based on your organization's settings. If there's a validation warning, fill in the missing information so the conversion goes through smoothly. When everything looks good, click Convert. Freshsales will create the new record or records and link them together automatically. The original lead is typically closed, and its notes, activities, and emails are carried over to the new contact and to the account and deal if you created them. You can now find the person in the contacts section, the company in accounts, and the opportunity in deals. From here, continue your process by scheduling follow-ups, logging activities, and moving the deal through your pipeline. That's all it takes to convert a lead to a contact in Freshsales.